second grade grammar learners. Today we're going to talk about a topic called punctuation. I'm sure you recognize some of these things like this mark, this one, maybe this one. So just to review what we've been learning so far, we've got sentences, right? Words that come together to make a complete thought. We also talked about so far the types of sentences. We have a statement, questions, commands, and exclamations. Now here's the thing. What belongs with these sentences to make them complete as well? Well, each type of sentence comes with a special item attached to the end called a punctuation mark. As you can see here, we've got one funny one in the orange called an exclamation point, also a question mark, and a period. So sentences, in order for them to be complete, they must have punctuation in the end of them, or they're not considered complete. Punctuation marks, here are some examples. A question mark, that belongs to questions. An exclamation mark, that belongs to exclamation sentences. And finally, a period, that belongs to the statements or commands. So these all kind of line up really well, and they're kind of easy to remember as long as we know question marks belong with questions, exclamation marks belong with exclamations, and periods belong with the other two, statements or commands. So here's an example of each. A question, right? What are we going to do today? Here is our little question mark to end the sentence that kind of captures the whole thought. Here's an exclamation. I can't believe it! Do you see this little exclamation point at the end? That's why we know it's an exclamation. Here's a statement example. My food has arrived. Here's a little period at the end for the punctuation mark. And finally, here's a command. Please go fetch me some water, with a period at the end. So those kind of finalize our little punctuations at the end of sentences to make sure they are complete. So it's your turn. Can you name the punctuation marks that end a sentence? And then, what types of punctuation marks match with which types of sentences? Have fun, my little grammar learners.